Here's how to install your AC unit. Purchase a bracket, make sure that it's the right size for your AC. Assemble it as per the instructions on the box. It will also show you how to mount it into your window. You have the mount here. This foot has to hit on the outside of the building. All set. You don't want to over tighten that one because then it's not able to move. We're going to set this here because you want it to tilt just a little bit out of the window so that be at an angle just barely out of the bubble. That's what we want. You're ready to lift your AC into position. Be careful, be sure to use your knees instead of your back. And then pull the window down on top of the AC to lock it in place. You'll want to put a screw in through the crossbar on the top into the window frame to keep it secure. You can install the accordion spacers on either side and open them up to fill the window space. Plug it in and enjoy your cool air. Download the Yelp app and find a handy person near you.